Today I'll be turning this piece of mystery wood. I have no idea of what type of wood it is. I do know that the wood is very dense. My goal today is to turn a medium-sized vase. We'll see how it works out. So I'll just get to it. At this point, I would have to say I'm 3/4 of the way done. I got the shape that I want. All I got to do is finish cleaning out the inside. I'll sand with 80 and end with 1000, and then I'll use a fine grit polishing compound for an end result. We'll see what happens. mishaps. Mind you, the wood being so dense, it really took its toll on the tools in my hands. And this piece actually took a bit longer to turn and hone the inside out. But the end result, I can't complain. It's a little bit chubby for me, but other than that, it came out pretty nice. If you guys made it this far in the video, I really appreciate the support. And as always, thanks for watching.